I want to show you some of the ways that I use the Divergence Engine indicator from NINZA. Let's say we have a RSI, we're looking for some divergences, maybe price is going up to a previous high, but the RSI is lower, we got some divergence going on. We've got a panel with our RSI down here, which is great, but what if I don't want to see this? What if I want to be able to see my chart a little bit more? So if I had three oscillators, like a RSI, and pretend this is a stochastic or a CCI, it takes up a lot of space. And if you were to manually look for divergences on all these different indicators, it's a little bit overwhelming. So with the divergence indicator, I am now scanning the charts automatically for divergences on 3 different oscillators. And I could have as many as I want. I could be finding divergences on MACD, stochastics, RSI, MFI, volume oscillator, volume itself, cumulative delta, awesome oscillator, all kinds of different things. I've got the divergence engine set up for a stochastics, and I've got one set up for the RSI, and I've got one set up for the CCI. And what I've done is I've changed the marker. I can call these anything I want. I could have CCI, I've just got C for short, I've got R for short for the RSI, and S for short for the stochastics. I can have a pop-up remind me when one of these indicator prints. I can have a sound enabled that will go off to alert me. I can have a background paint. I can change the sensitivities and the look back. So there's a lot of different things to mess around with here. A lot of different settings to change, a lot of different visual and audio options. I've just got the basic signals, and I've got the offset set different. I've got 36 tick offset, 24, and 12. But with the offsets, that way if they print on the same candle, I can see all of them. They don't get overlapped. You can choose any kind of font you want. You could use the WebDings font and have all kinds of crazy symbols that'll appear. Fully customizable. So this is the price action from today, Monday, December 4th. This is a NASDAQ 2-minute chart, but these will work on any charts, volume charts, range charts, tick charts, time-based charts. See, pre-market we got some RSI divergence, went up nice. Around 8 o'clock we get the triple divergence, stochastics, RSI, and CCI, and then we get it again a little bit before 8:30. A very healthy move afterwards. 100-point drop right there. We got a bunch of chop here at the New York Open, resumed the downward trend, and then not till 11 o'clock do we get another divergence signal, and we get one pretty much right at the bottom. 11 o'clock we bounce up another 100 points. Around 1 o'clock we start getting some divergence signals. We get a triple divergence here, float down 60 points. A little bit after 2 we get a stochastics divergence. This one might have been a loss if you took it right up there, depending on how big your stop was. Eventually went up, and then right after the market reopened we get some more divergence. So today these worked out phenomenally well. They don't always look this clean and beautiful. I mean, nothing does all the time. I've found these very useful, and with the divergence engine you can test the divergence on just about anything. It's pretty amazing. Here's a 5-minute chart from today. Don't get as many signals, but some good ones. 8:30 we have a nice signal down. Caught a nice one at the London session. Super fun to play around with. Great tool to have in the toolbox. Highly recommend it if you're someone that likes to look for divergences.